Traditional forest survey. Conventional surveying wastes time and manpower, and errors are hard to manage. Traditional survey methods require multi-person collaboration with low operational efficiency. Traditional height measurement. Limited line of sight and complicated operation. Why spend hours in the forest when you can get all the data in minutes? Stop measuring. Start scanning. Pocket2 pick. Trusted word of mouth. Gintech Pocket 2 can help you segment and identify individual trees and generates a complete dataset. Scanning operation. Precise coordinates. Exact spatial positioning for every tree. Get tree height, dBH, crown area, volume and elevation without breaking a sweat.